everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Amazon clothing haul. This one is for some bridesmaids dresses alternatives to the kind of the normal bridesmaids dresses. So I looked through Amazon and I found a few that I thought would work well for bridesmaids dresses, and they're all affordable. So I got a size medium in all of these. I know that it is towards the end of summer, but there are still a lot of weddings going on, and where I am in California, it is still super hot. Okay, so for the first dress, we have this says semi-formal. Is a cold shoulder ruffle v-neck maxi wrap dress. We've got the straps. They are adjustable. You got this pretty ruffle that goes all the way around. So those go over your shoulder, and then these kind of hang down. Okay, so it's got a little snap button on the front, and then it's going to wrap around, and then you have a tie on it. This is the pink one. It is very pretty, very nice fabric. It is 100% polyester. They have a few other colors, very pretty colors. I really liked this pink one. And no, to me, pink just seems to be a common bridesmaid's color. Oh, it's super cute on the website, so we will see. Okay, so this next dress, this is a Grace Karin. It is super cute. This is the sleeveless lace patchwork deep V-neck A-line. It has the lace down the front, goes lower in the middle, and then it's got the little sheer netting on it. It does have the zipper in the back. It is probably about knee length. It is polyester spandex, so it does have some stretch to it. The back goes down a little bit. This is the navy blue. Kind of looks a little purple though. It is super pretty. The lace goes just to the armpit around the side. They have tons of colors in this one. So this next one is the Ruched Bodycon asymmetrical sleeveless one shoulder satin dress. This is the light blue color. So it's got the ruching down the shoulder. Under the armpit side, it has a little bit of elastic with a zipper. waist, you have some more ruching, and then it has a little bit of a wrap. This is about a shin length dress. Comes with a little tie belt. This is the light blue color, but there are a lot of other colors on there. It is 100% polyester. Okay, next dress we have is this, they're calling it a vintage lace midi dress in this very pretty pink color. They do have others. So it is a V-neck. It's got the lace going down the front. It's got about, they're like elbow length sleeves. It is all lace and see-through. The whole dress is a lace overlay, and then the rest of it's got a slip underneath it. The back does have a button, or a zipper. So it does have a V-neck. I thought this was cute. Kind of more of the classic like Bridesmaids all lace dress. Okay, the next dress we have is a satin long sleeve, one shoulder maxi dress, asymmetrical. So it's got the one shoulder, long sleeve. It does have some little fabric colored buttons on it. So all around the neck and chest area, it is elastic. Got an elastic waist. It is ankle length. It does have a side slit on it. This one is the light blue, very pretty. It does have a few other colors. They were all very pretty. It does come with a tie belt. It is 100% polyester. And actually, it's got quite a bit of fabric to it. Very pretty in the pictures. I thought it would be a very pretty bridesmaid's dress. Okay, so the last dress I picked out is this convertible multi-way dress. It is long, very pretty purple color. There are a few other colors. So this dress you can wear several different ways. It's got the long straps in the back to do whatever. Its back has elastic. It is low in the back, so it could be backless. Does not look like it has any slits in it. So I thought this would be good if you have multiple bridesmaids and not all of them want to wear the same dress. They can wear it different ways and then still match. Very cute. We'll see if I can figure out a few ways of wearing it. There's pictures on the website. We will try it out. Okay, so that is my haul from Amazon, and obviously these don't have to be worn as bridesmaids dresses. They can be worn for all occasions. I think they are all beautiful dresses. I think my favorite is the Grace Karin one with the V-neck lace on the front. Since it is low V-neck, you would need to wear like some pasties or something with it, since it would show a little bit of your bra in the front. I also do like the one shoulder wrap dress. I'm trying to remember. They're all beautiful. They are all under $50, so that is always good. If you are interested in any of these dresses, I'll leave the links down below in the description. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up. It helps a bunches. Consider subscribing to my channel if you like clothing hauls. I do some recipes. If you have a favorite dress out of these few, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.